So today is a special day, and that's because we are in a special place. And that special place is El Nido on Palawan Island in the Philippines. Now, I'm a big fan of karst, and that's really what El Nido is known for, is these unique rock formations which are known as karst. It's really a magical landscape and one we don't have back home in Canada, and that's what really attracted me to the area. And already the landscape is having an impact on Mirko. Mirko, what do you think of karsts?
Oh, it's mind-blowing. As you pointed out, it's slightly different than what we have on Vancouver Island with our Gulf Islands. They poke out of the ocean here and break it up a bit, the scenery, so it looks really intriguing, right? And makes you wonder what's over there.
Yeah, so let's go find out what's over there, shall we?
Yeah, definitely. Let's go.
Okay. El Nido is located on the remote island province of Palawan on the southwestern edge of the Philippines. It is known for its stunning scenery that consists of dramatic limestone cliffs, hidden lagoons, and pristine beaches. One of the best ways to explore the area is to go on an island-hopping boat tour, which we did for 3 glorious days from El Nido to Coron, but I have a separate video for that adventure. Today we're exploring the bustling town of El Nido, which was once a small fishing village before it turned into one of the Philippines' most popular tourist destinations. To experience the impressive views the area is known for, we decided to do the guided Canopy Walk, which takes about 30 to 45 minutes to reach the top. So here's what not to wear on the Canopy Walk. Don't wear broken sandals with no grip, or a dress, or a purse. Don't do this, unless you want to make it a bit more interesting, you know? We're up now though.
Will you make it
what?
to the top?
I don't know. We shall find out, because you know how much I love heights. It's my favorite.
But this time at least, you wear a white dress.
Yeah, right? Fashion first. To be fair though, we didn't do a lot of research into this. It was kind of like, oh look, want to do the Canopy Walk? Sure. I'm dressed to go out for dinner. Anyway, let's go. We've done harder hikes than this, come on. It's just I don't get to hike in a dress very often. Okay, this is pretty spectacular. So now we have arrived at Nakpan Beach, which is supposed to be one of the nicest beaches around El Nido. And I have to say, yeah, it's definitely impressive. It's a big, long stretch of beautiful white sand, but there's still one thing missing from here. Where's the karsts? Over there somewhere? I don't know. Hey, look who it is.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm not karst.
It's Mirko!
Yeah.
Mirko loves the sun, as you can tell.
Yeah, bundled up here.
We get to a beach and I take off all the layers and only to slather on the sunscreen, and Mirko puts on more layers since the sun is not his friend. Nacpan Beach is located about 45 minutes north of El Nido town center. Stretching for more than 4 kilometers, the beach offers a more secluded and less commercialized experience compared to other beaches in the area. Alright, so we have some pretty big waves here, which are really fun to play in. If you don't go in too far, of course. So this beach definitely has a very wild feel to it since it's got these massive waves coming in. It's not really friendly for swimming unless you like surfing. But yeah, it has something. It might not have the carp, but it's a wild, beautiful place. And look, hey, there's Marco! Another nice beach just outside of the town center is Vanille Beach, which is where our hotel was located. The beach has a handful of restaurants and hotels, with Las Cabanas Beach Resort at the end. This was my favorite area of the beach to escape the crowds and listen to the sound of the waves. Palawan's famous underground river is considered a must-do when visiting the island, but it takes about 5 hours to drive there from El Nido. The river is in a national park and can be reached by taking a short boat ride, then an even shorter walk through the jungle. So here is the famous underground river. Well, the start of it anyway. The park contains an 8.2 kilometer long underground river that can only be observed with a guide. The river's cavern has dramatic rock formations and several large chambers that reach 60 meters in height. Just got out of the underground cave, which was actually quite a magical experience. I wasn't sure what to expect since it's a tourist attraction. I thought, oh, it might be kind of cheesy, but it was very stunning in there. I loved how quiet it is. You're not allowed to talk, so that's very enjoyable. I also liked how there's no unnatural lighting in there. So the guides go through and shine their flashlights on the walls so you can see some of the cave formations, but yeah, it's just nice how they left everything so natural, which is the way a natural wonder should be, left alone for people to enjoy. And look who it is. Hey, there's Marco.
Yeah, still alive.
El Nido certainly did not disappoint, even though the weather didn't always want to cooperate. Averaging 500,000 visitors each year, El Nido isn't exactly off the beaten path, but you can still find plenty of places to call your own.